I'll show you today how to change the wallpaper on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Now I'll be showing you how to change both the home screen and the lock screen wallpaper on this device. So simply unlock your device and go into settings, and then under settings you want to select home screen, lock screen and style. And then here you want to select the theme that you want to use. So find a theme that you would like to use and tap on it just like that. So tap on the theme that you want to use, and here you should be able to see the always on display in use, the lock screen and the home screen. So starting with the lock screen, simply tap on wallpaper. Then you can either select any of these pre-given options or predetermined options or categories that you have, and select a wallpaper that you like. So select a wallpaper like, let's say, that one, to apply it to your lock screen. Then you can go over to the home screen, and you may see that it may match the lock screen and they may be the same. So if they are the same, simply select the wallpaper option and then tap on it once again. And you also have the option to either choose from the album to use a solid color or select even another different option for you. So this time, let's, for example, choose from an album, there are photo from the gallery, and then tap on OK. It's going to be applied just like that. And even for this particular lock screen as well, you can tap on wallpaper and also choose from an album if you so choose. So now you can go on making the changes that you want. But once you're content with that, simply tap on apply. And that particular theme or those particular wallpapers are going to be applied for the home screen, as you can see, the home screen and the lock screen as well, just like that. And that's basically how to change the home screen and the lock screen wallpapers on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Thanks for watching. Questions and comments down below. Like and subscribe. Take care and God bless.